Okay, greetings. I hope everybody is fine. I'm also doing well. So I've taken some few days without posting. It's because I've been so busy with some other stuff around me. So that's why. Okay, so today I want to bring a tutorial on how to make a dub. Some other things I did already, but some other things we'll be doing together to show how I did it in FL Studio. Okay, so this approach that I'm using is a bit different because you might have another approach on how to do it, but I find it easy for me to do it in this way because I'm using FL Studio only. Most of the time when you're doing dub, you must have a mixer, so you should be able to work to play around with faders, delays, and all those kind of gears. But now the question is, if you don't have, how do you do it? That is why now I'm coming up with this kind of tutorial. Okay, so I hope it is going to be helpful to everybody who has been looking for this kind of tutorial. Yeah, by the way, I'm Willow's record producer and musician. If you're new to the channel, please welcome to this channel, and this is what we do all the time, reggae and dancehall on this channel. Yeah, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Let's enjoy everything together here. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So what is happening here is this. I created a beat already. This is the beat. Alright, I also forgot one thing. In this tutorial, I'll be using this plugin to accomplish all this. So TAPEoPLEX is a heritage audio plugin. It's one of the plugins which was emulated from those old vintage tape delays. So if you see that delay, it's just like this one. So I'll be able to explain everything on this one as we work on the tutorial. Okay, so alright, what I'm doing here, this is the chop. There are two types of chops here. The other one is going to be affected, the other one is not going to be. So this is the first piano. It's dry. This one is what I did is I created a delay bass here, and to achieve this technique you must duplicate the copy of that instrument which you want it to be affected, to be dubbed in this way. So you see, this is a mini grand. This is the second one. I croned it or duplicated it. To cron it is just to come here and cron, and then it will come, it will give you this. Alright, so this is what I did here. I croned. So this first part, and then this part, this second piano is. Now you may question, why did I use this delay? I used this delay because I was given this delay. I was sent to review this delay, that's why. So on this delay, you have a number of things going on. You have the repeats knob here, you have the volume knob, and you have the recording knob, and the treble knob, bass knob, and then flash one knob. And these are the grid, snap to grid, like 1/4, 1/16, 1/8, something like this. Okay, so whenever you are doing some repeat, this is the echo, right? For example, you can hear that. This is the echo. This is how far it goes up to here, and this is the volume of these echoes. So the dry one right here. So this is how you use this one. This is how it operates. So and then this is the volume, the recording volume on how this is how it records everything that is happening within here. So you have the inputs again, you see. So let's say and this side you have the treble. It will affect the tone of this echo, this delay which is happening. So I leave it somewhere here. And then you have the bass, if you want your tone to have bass or not. So you can add bass or not. So I left it here somewhere here. You can have your own thing the way you choose, you know. It doesn't have many controls. And this is how you can also see the amount of delays again. So this is how you can control this amount of delay, like 1/4, 1/2, 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, something like that. So it's happening left and right. So let's say, so you can see the numbers are going up here. The same thing you would design like this, would do the same to your left. So basically that is it. So this is how this delay works. If you want it, you can grab it at Heritage. I'll leave the link in the comment section below. You can check it there. They have their prices there. So basically that is it. So I used this delay. You can use the effort delay. You can use any kind of delay that you have. But I used this delay because I was given to review it. So let's get it. Now there are two. I have to link this one to the okay, so this one is a dry one, but I EQ'd it already. So it's just a copy of this chick is a copy of this chick. So I EQ'd already this. I did that. So I created a different channel here, which I've just routed. So what I'm going to do is this one, I'm going to route it here and leave it high level like this. So alright, so basically that is what is going to happen. So I'm chopping this. I'm going to chop this, going to do like this. So let me just do something. Okay, so there. Then mute this, depending. so you see what is happening here. You can just mute one of the so basically that's how you can do with dub. You just have to play around with various instruments and based on how you are feeling, you see. So this is just for the sake of tutorial, but like what I said, to achieve that you must have a copy of dry and wet. So this is the bass line is okay, but this chop is the one which is doubled now, which is here. And then the snare also I doubled on this channel. On this channel here, you see this. See, it's just okay. But this one, the one which has got the delays, so it's the same. I put it here. This is another snare accompanying this one because the major tone comes from this snare. This one. So this one. So I just. But the major one is this one. So that's what I'm looking for. So okay. So. Yeah, basically that is it. So this is how you can come up with your dub. This is the method that I use. If the beat is so long, like just a matter of extending, you just be playing around like that. Just around like that in FL Studio. Now, this is not the only way you can do it. If there is another way which you feel like there's another way how to do it, leave it in the comment section. I'm also willing to know the new ways on how you can do certain things. But this is the approach based on my study, because I don't have that mixer, I don't have all those kind of things. And I cannot automate the way I can automate in Pro Tools, how I can automate in Cubase. I cannot automate here. It is a bit different how you have to go around. So I just chose this way, which gives me a very big room on how to play around with each and everything properly. You can cut, you can just choose. You can choose, like, for example, you can choose like, you can choose to chop something like this, something like this, something like this, and then mute. So some things like that. That is why I chose this kind of way to do it. Basically, that is it. Let's just check it from the beginning. Yeah, I hope it has been helpful. I'm sorry, maybe certain steps you did not catch them. If you did not catch them, I created this delay here, which this is the TAPEoPLEX, and then you have the reverb channel with the peak controller and the reverb is down there. This peak controller is ducking the reverb. Yeah, so I'm just doing simple things, just routing each and instrument to this reverb. each reverb and stuff. That's what I'm doing. Nothing peculiar. Certain instruments I'm not applying reverb and stuff. It's simple as that. There's nothing much. Yeah, I hope you have grabbed something. Thank you so much. If this tutorial was helpful for you, thank you so much. You can leave a comment below, like, share, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much. Respect and blessings. If you want production services, you can contact me. I'll leave my email address in the comment section below. And also, if you want samples for sale, definitely I have a lot of reggae samples for sale. You can even hear how this is. This is how you can support the channel. There are a lot of things that the channel needs to provide good tutorials. So if you buy some of what I sell, some of the stuff that I sell, like samples, that is good. It helps me to upgrade certain things, and then I bring good tutorials. Yeah, thank you so much, and salute. Big up, big up. If you want, you can also join my membership for exclusive tutorials for members only. So the ball is in your hands. Thank you so much. Salute.